What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mari. My channel is all about fitness, inner health, mental health, everything. We cover a lot of stuff on here, okay? I've been really wanting to film this video for a long time. I think healthy snacks are one of the most challenging parts about a healthy diet. Meals come really easily to me. I can make a healthy meal and have ideas for healthy meals, but snacks are a challenge. So today I have a bunch of variety. We're gonna start out with some more protein, savory based snacks, and then we're gonna move on to some sweet snacks because I know a bunch of you have sweet tooths. I know you do. I see a lot of comments asking for healthy sweet snack ideas, so I definitely incorporated those as well as some like little dessert snacks. Let us get right into it. I'm very excited. Okay, guys, this is also my first like recipe video without Greg, so I'm a bit nervous. I don't want to mess it up. So guys, the first snack we're gonna make involves a little bit of prep, but it's perfect for packing for work, school, an outing. It's protein filled, but also has some really healthy fats, so it's gonna give you some fuel. We are going to make hard-boiled eggs. I know hard-boiled eggs are not everyone's cup of tea, but I wanna put these in now so we can get working on our other snacks and put these in the fridge and bring them to work, school, wherever it may be. Super protein packed, but also have some great healthy fats for some fuel. I think hard-boiled eggs are a great fit snack. The trick to hard-boiled eggs is having some very cold water ready to go. When they are done boiling, we're just gonna pop them in here and it makes it way easier to peel them. So guys, I'm gonna boil about 6 of these and we're gonna let them boil for around 6 to 7 minutes. And then we're gonna pop them out, put them in the ice water, peel them, and then I'll probably put them in some Tupperware so I can use them on another day. So guys, I already had this pot heating up ready for this, so it wasn't at a boil quite yet, but now I've just turned up the heat. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to set my timer for 7 minutes and then we'll pop them out. While we have our hard-boiled eggs boiling, we are gonna go ahead and make some avocado toast rice cakes. I've been having this on the side of my breakfast lately and it's really yummy, but also just a great fuel source. And I think it would make a really great snack. So I'm gonna show you a few different ways you can make this. First of all, we need to mash our avocados. So I'm just gonna slice these boys open. It's a good one. That's a nice one. Now I'm just gonna take a fork and mash this up and turn it into a little bit of a guac situation. Have that nice and mushed up, ready for our avocado toast. So now I'm gonna take 2 of these rice cakes. Let me show you what my favorite kind of rice cakes are. I like these Lundberg brown rice, lightly salted rice cakes. I eat them throughout the day, use them for avocado toast. Our eggs are done. There's a lot going on, guys. Too many snacks at once. Woo! So now I'm going to take my spoon and pop our eggs in our ice cold water. So what this does is actually just make it a lot easier to peel the hard-boiled eggs. And if they turned out good, I'm thinking I might use one on my avocado rice cake toast. Hello, she's creative. Gonna let those rest for a sec while we finish our avocado toast. We've got our rice cakes, we've got our mush. Now we're just gonna apply our mush to the rice cake. We are gonna make this the most aesthetically pleasing avocado rice cake toast you have ever seen. We have our rice cake avocado toast. What I like to do personally is add a little bit of lemon. And we're definitely gonna season these. I'm using just some regular sea salt. I know a lot of people who are new to fitness have the misconception that salt is bad for you. It's not. It's a very essential mineral, especially if you're working out. You need those electrolytes. A lot of people that come to me and tell me that they feel faint during their workout, my #1 recommendation is up your salt intake, and it usually works every time. Little salt. You could either eat your rice cakes just like this. This is perfect. This is what I eat on the side of my breakfast. Or if you're having this as a snack and you want to add some more protein, there's a couple of things we could do. One thing we could try is putting a hard-boiled egg on top of our avocado rice cake toast. I gotta come up with a new name for it, guys. It's becoming a mouthful. Simply by adding some turkey breast, which is super easy to do if you're at work, in a cubicle, at school. This is my favorite turkey, just the Applegate oven roasted turkey breast. I'm gonna throw a couple of slices on top of one of these rice cakes. Simple as that, just adding some turkey breast and you have a protein packed avocado toast rice cake. Or another option we have is adding one of our hard-boiled eggs. I'm a little nervous to see how these turned out. We're gonna try. She's peeling. Kind of a success. Okay. I'm about to make like an Earth Cafe LA avocado toast up in here, okay? Oh my God, she's peeled. Just gonna cut her in half. I had to give you guys a close-up view of her because she is just so Instagrammable. This could also be a breakfast along with a nice snack. Wow. I'm just gonna add a little pepper. There we have our 2 rice cake avocado toast options. Both look delish. I'm actually gonna put these on the side and eat them right after this video. Oh my gosh.
These are perfectly cooked.
I was really worried. Like, I saw they were gonna be raw.
I was watching a video last night on how to grill eggs. Like whole eggs in the grill.
So now we're just taking the remainder of our hard-boiled eggs and popping them in a Tupperware. Obviously, you could peel them beforehand to make things easier. I'm not going to because I don't want to make you guys watch me peel 5 eggs. Okay. Next up, we have another savory protein-packed snack. And then we're gonna move on to the sweets. But again, we are using avocados. You guys know I love avocados. Super healthy fat, really good for the brain, good for the mood. So I like to eat a lot of these. We're just gonna take one of these avocados actually and slice it in half. Then we're gonna take some tuna salad or chicken salad, whatever your preference is. I actually just picked this up from the grocery store, but I checked the ingredients. Always make sure you check the ingredients. You wanna avoid things like canola oil, sugar, just weird things like that that shouldn't even be in a tuna salad. Canola oil causes a lot of inflammation, as does sugar. So I checked the ingredients on this. They used olive oil and a bunch of really healthy things. So I feel confident about this tuna salad. Now we are literally just gonna stuff our avocados with this tuna salad for a nice, healthy fat, protein-packed snack. Okay, we overpacked just a little, but it's all good, gains. I am just going to squeeze a little lemon on these guys. I like lemon on everything, honestly. A little bit of salt, some pepper. So there we have it, some tuna stuffed avocados, perfect snack for at home, school, work. Very healthy fats, protein, everything we could need. We are now moving on to our sweet segment. That's what I'm gonna call it, our sweet segment. And this is the snack I'm most excited for because it sounds so good. We have a whole bunch of blueberries. We have 0% fire yogurt. You can choose any yogurt that you like, flavored, unflavored, vanilla, whatever. This is the one I like because it has a lot of protein in it, super clean, no added sugars. Love fire. And then you're also gonna need some toothpicks. Mine are unicorns because I like to be a little bit fun. This is super simple. We're making frozen yogurt covered blueberries. So all we need to do is grab our toothpick, grab a blueberry, dunk it in our yogurt. Where am I from? I'm not sure my unicorns are working that well. So my unicorns didn't work as well as I expected, so I'm using these bamboo sticks. All you need to do is dunk your blueberry in the yogurt and then pop it in the pan. And now we're just gonna do like hundreds of those. So be back in 5 hours. We have finished dipping all of our blueberries. Let me come and show you guys. This is how we're looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys in the freezer for about an hour or just until they feel, you know, hard and like frozen yogurt. And then I'm gonna pop them out and show you guys how they look. We have our frozen yogurt blueberries in the freezer for another hour. So now we're gonna make a really fun, healthy, dessert snack. I've seen this done on some of these health Instagrams that I follow, and I've always wanted to try it. We are doing chocolate chip stuffed raspberries. Super easy to do. I probably don't even need to show you, but I'm going to. Couldn't find just raspberries at the grocery store, so I got these mixed berries. I'm just gonna pick out the raspberries and then I'll use the rest of the berries on my yogurt in the morning. Raspberries are probably my favorite berry of all the berries. I used to pick them when I was younger in England, and it was just the most satisfying thing, pulling them off the vine, like putting them in the punnet. Oh, I love that. So I just picked up these little organic chocolate chips. They're a little bit darker. Darker chocolate tends to be better for you and has less sugar added. So that's what I went for. I think this is a really great technique if you love chocolate but find that you can't stop eating out of the bag. Stuff your raspberries, take it to the couch and put away the bag of chocolate chips, and then you're kind of restricted to the amount of chocolate you're having. And you're also having some fruit, which is awesome. So let's stuff these guys. So here are our chocolate chip stuffed raspberries. I just tried one and they're so, so good. Great healthy dessert snack that will stop you from eating too many chocolate chips. We have almost all our snacks done, and now we just need to wait for the frozen yogurt blueberries. So I'll be back soon. So guys, just took our frozen yogurt blueberries out of the freezer and they're nice and hard, so I think they're done. Not the most beautiful ones. Say that. And now we're just gonna pop each blueberry off into a bowl. These look yummy. These look so cute and yummy. I'm gonna try one. That's good. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you make any of these snacks, please tag me. I would love to see them in your Instagram stories. Love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video.